Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a sticker Destash that I bought from Sabrina _ crafty _ journey. And I thought I'd share it with you. And I have nothing on my arms today. I'm healing nicely, kinda. Except for here. If you see that, that's still bruised. If that does not heal by the end of the month, they might have to go back in. So pray for me that it does. Because right now this is all numb. I mean, it's sore to the touch. This hand's doing great. So, first off, I won her giveaway. Oh God, back in March. And she had these cool pens in there. And I loved it. It wrote so nice. And I don't know where it disappeared to. So I asked her if she could send me another one. She actually sent me two. And I love the saying, this idea is garbage. And this is my favorite one. This one is a multicolor one, but look, it says badass bitch. I love that. So, let's check out the sticker. Oh, here's the other one. Shh, no one cares. They write so nice. I was like, oh my God, I love it. She sent me two of them. You know, and the thing is, I'll find the other one. Oh God, they write so great. Nice. Awesome. Thank you, Sabrina. All right, let's see. All right. So we got 250 stickers. A lot of these I picked up for Riley. She's always liked stickers, so. And they're just cute. They make cute on ATC cards. Oh, look at it. No, oh God, the sloth. Is that what it is? I don't remember. Mermaid. Stay strong. Good vibes. Wiener dog. Cute. And then we have the zoo, Wild Animals Paradise. And we got little snowmen. I'm going to save them for Christmas. These are cool. And I'm going to put them on my tablet. They are Starry Night Van Gogh stickers to put over your keypad. Like this says Command, Shift, Return, Option, Caps Lock, Shift. The center bar in arrows. I think it's so cool. I don't know where she found that, but I think it's probably the Benz, I think she told me. The crowns. Cool. Mickey, Minnie, just Mickey, or Daisy and Minnie. And I thought these were cute. The little firemen. A little police. And little reindeer. And then just throw these little ones in. And then this one's going in my book, Family. And then we have Santa. I love Santa. We have Santa, Rudolph, or a reindeer, a penguin, and snowman for Christmas. And we got some sayings. Happy Smile Fun Ticket. And little Disney ones. And then we got Christmas gnomes. Aren't they cute? More Christmas trucks and gnomes. And a little tool pouch. Box. And then some Christmas ones. And this one says, bless this home. Love with laughter. So cool. That'll go in my book too. And we got some steampunk kind of. And some more little sayings. And then buses. I think there's 3 in here, she said. I'm not sure. But my brother, oh my God, my son is a bus driver. Oh, I see how this goes. Okay. So it's layering. Oh, that's cool. My son's a bus driver in the morning. So I'm like, hey. When I do another page, I'll put that. And then some owls. And we got these goofy, weird cats and dogs. I thought they were funny. And then we got some Christmas ones. Look at the little boy. This little girl. They're so cute. They're all dressed up. It's like they're like doing... That'd be cute if they had a Christmas concert as a layout, because like the little faces coming through the Some more Christmas gingerbread, hot cocoa, train candy. More Christmas. This is Gone Fishing. Cool. And we got some fall leaves. Pretty. Yeah. We got some unicorns. Pretty. And we got this one. It's like, I like the lantern and trains. Oh, they're temporary train. Oh, they're tattoos. Oh, cool. I was like, why are they backwards? Now I understand. They're tattoos. But there is a way you can make them on paper. Here's some, this says, oh, it is Olaf. I'm an expert on snow. And a little dream, love, treasure, memories. A time to remember. I got some of them. I've got some little rabbits. 180 stickers. Then we got these little books. You don't find these too much anymore. Or I'm just not looking in for stickers, so. I know Sabrina was going through her stickers one day and we were talking. I'm like, oh, let me see. And I'm like, I'll take them. And then these are cute. They like, I'm going to give these to, I lost my thought. But it's like Noah and Jesus. Trust, love, follow, care, share. But there's a whole section or pack of them. I don't remember now. I lost my thought. Lion King. Some more little bugs and insect stickers. I like the ladybugs. So cute. Butterflies. And some more little Christmas stickers. And Halloween. Cute. Little spiders. Some more Halloween. Day of the Dead. Some more Day of the Dead. Love that. And Halloween. Oh, look at the cute. Bad. And then Critter Camp. Do you know that's me and Scott's rendezvous name is Critter Camp? That's funny. I'm going to have to save that. Cut that out. Put that in my book. But yeah, okay. Critters. Look at Critter Camp. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. It's me and Scott's living history. That's our camp name. It's Critter Camp. And some guy gave it to us because I had all the kids around my tent. I was always doing activities with kids. So he come up one day looking for his daughter. He goes, oh, I see what she wears. He goes, look at all the critters at your camp. And it stuck. So we got this one. I love this dream catcher. It's rub on. And I'm hoping I can do a project in my head with these rub-ons. Because I love the color of them. So you got the dream catcher. Love the owl. The feathers. And then you got this one with the smiley faces. Just smile. Rock and roll will save your soul. And then unicorns. So cool. And that is my sticker Destash I bought from Sabrina. So, thank you, Sabrina, for such an awesome stickers. Love them, and thank you for the pens. So, I want you guys to go. I'll have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box below, so go check her out. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be crafty. Bye for now. Sorry, I hit the camera. I'm going to say it again. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.